Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So today I have something for you. I have these PAC lashes and the ones that I'm already wearing. So I have two PAC lashes to test today. I bought these lashes a few months back. I don't remember exactly when. I think in April. I bought them in April, and I don't know why I have been waiting for so long. Whatever. Let's try this now. So yeah, let's get into the video. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them and just follow me everywhere. So, if you watch a lot of YouTube videos, if you watch Indian YouTubers, you have actually seen these PAC lashes in some YouTubers' video or the other, because these are one of the most used kind of eyelashes in the Indian market, because PAC is actually an Indian brand. So people actually wear these lashes a lot. These are one of the most, I would say, prominent lashes from the Indian market. These are very easily available on Nykaa. So basically, PAC has two range of lashes. The one is this is the tapered lash, and the one is the one I'm wearing. These are the Mink Lashes. So Mink Lashes, I believe, is the costlier side. These are around like 400 rupees, and these are the tapered lashes. These are like 200 rupees. This is for 195. This is for 375. Yeah, I think that is the price. I'll definitely put something in the description box. You can definitely check out there. You can buy these lashes from Amazon. You can buy these from the PAC site itself. You can buy it from Nykaa. You can buy it from any store that has PAC in it. So you can definitely easily find these lashes. So this one is the tapered lash. As you can see, this is much simpler in shape. And the Mink Lashes I'm already wearing, but I will definitely show you how they really look so that you can take a reference. If you have seen the video in which I actually told you how to put on the eyelashes, you must have seen I show you how to wear these particular eyelashes. Now, if I talk about these particular eyelashes, I definitely feel I have used these lashes once. I was wearing this in the neon makeup video, and I'm wearing this one right now. So definitely I've tried both of them, and I do have like very clear opinion about them. I think PAC has this whole range of lashes where you can actually choose the safest and the simplest, and actually the most complex and the most wispier ones. So definitely you can check out according to your face shape and your eye size. Mine is, this one is in tapered lash 53, and another one, this one is in PAC M72. So M72 is the wispier one, and 53 is of course a tapered one. So tapered one is of course wispier from the outer corners, but it is much more simpler in the shape as compared to the Mink Lash, which is much more complex. This is like wispy crisscross pattern and very kind of like funky lashes that usually you get from the Huda Beauty or you would get from any other high-end eyelash brand. But these are much more affordable, just like half the price, actually 1/4 of the price of what Huda Beauty actually is. So in that comparison, I would say PAC lashes are much more affordable. But if I talk about the lashes that are much easily available in the market, in that comparison, PAC is a little bit costlier. But I think according to the quality that you pay for these eyelashes, the quality of these eyelashes is really, really good. I mean, this tapered lash is very nice, and even this minkier lash is the hair is very nice. The hair is actually a little different than this one. Even the hair is very different. When you talk about the tapered lashes, they have sort of like plasticky hair. When you talk about Mink lashes, they have more like the natural hair. That is the difference between them. So depending on what kind of you prefer, you can definitely check this, or you can definitely try this one. Sometimes it's not necessary that these kind of lashes would look good with every kind of look. It is something that depends. Back then when I put on these lashes for some other look, it didn't look good, but right now it's looking really good. So it actually just depends upon what kind of look you are going for, and not just the eye shape, but actually also the look you are going for. Even if your eye shape complements these kind of lashes, if you are trying some other look, it may not look that good sometimes. So it also depends upon that. I mean, I think when you put on very complex eyelashes, sometimes the look also has to be that complex to complement each other. While the tapered lashes are much safer to wear. I mean, if you prefer the wispier from the ends, these lashes are definitely a good to try for. If you prefer something that is not this wispy, you can try some other lashes. I mean, PAC has a huge range of lashes to try for. So what they really say, I'm just going to read it from here. one pair of lashes which are reusable, no chemical or dyes, and these are actually made in Indonesia, right? So the application says carefully remove the lashes from the tray and check if the eyelash fits you by aligning it with your natural lashes. If the lash extends past the outside corner of your eye, cut it. That is usually how you put on the eyelashes. And the second thing is apply a thin layer of adhesive to the lash band and wait for 20-30 seconds for the glue to become tacky. Apply the eyelid as close as to your natural lash line as possible. Hold on for a few seconds and allow the glue to dry. It's very simple, you know, there's no rocket science behind it. Definitely, if you have seen the video, you know how to apply the lashes, and if you haven't, check it out. And it just says keep away from water and heat. Remove before sleeping. After use, remove the excess glue with your fingers. Store in the original lash tray to keep their shape and protect them from reuse. Definitely, these are reusable lashes. You can use them as long as you know they are not wearing or tearing. You can use them for 10 times. You can use for 15 times. You can use for 20 times. And once it starts like peeling off and getting very crumbly, and you know when they start looking very terrible when you apply it, it's the time to actually toss them into the dustbin. That is usually how it is with eyelashes. So definitely you can take out the maximum uses from these lashes as you want. And I think according to the price range, if I talk about these lashes, I would definitely say these are one of the best lashes. I won't lie, these are affordable, but at the same time they do give you a good quality. And if I recommend these to you, definitely if you're a person who knows what kind of lashes look good on them, definitely you can give it a try, because it's a really nice brand to try for. And my experience with PAC lashes has been really nice. I mean, I am really enjoying the way these lashes are looking on me, and I would definitely recommend people to use them too if they want to. And yeah, that's it. I think that is what I want to say, right? I think that's enough. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.